Many people think electric motorcycles are for speed lovers, but that's not true. Let's see who this bike is really for. Business users. These bikes are perfect for delivery businesses, courier companies, and fleet owners. It is built for people who need reliability, long range, and strong performance every day. Riders who value efficiency. It is also good for daily riders who want low running costs and smooth rides, no fuel, low maintenance, and easy charging makes it ideal for city travel. Okay, riders who face hills or heavy loads. If your route has hills or you carry heavy loads, these bikes can handle it without slowing down. Its motor and battery are designed for real work, not just fun rides. People who want low maintenance. Electric motorcycle needs less maintenance than gasoline bikes. If you want a bike that saves time and money on repair, this is for you. So if you are a business user or a rider or someone who needs a reliable, strong bike, this is made for you. It is not about speed, it is about working smarter. Our electric motorcycle is for everybody that desires a smooth riding experience and a low-cost maintenance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment electric motorcycle to get more infos.